afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Arts from Hilton Head On, South Carolina, and I'm upstairs. My upstairs neighbor, Connie, has her treehouse at the beach. Look at this, folks. This is more seashells than you could ever dream of. And so look at this. She has utilized every space in this condo, and look how pretty. Now, I've got to be careful here. I'm going to zoom in. These are magnolias. Now, we have the magnolia trees here on Hilton Head, and she makes these wreaths and sells them. It's amazing. And I told her I'm going to have to keep my eye. I think I definitely want... Oh, I see myself in the mirror. That's okay. We'll have to excuse me. Anyway, so I told her I'll have to probably get a peacock wreath. Now, look at this. She's got a... sort of a museum light in here. These are little hummingbirds, very beautiful. And then check it out. Okay, we're gonna zoom in. Beautiful dove, and you've got a sulfur crested cockatoo, and she thinks she got those at a gift shop, or at least one of them. And then we are solving parrot mysteries today, which is important. So I noticed this bird here has, you know, blue and purple on it, and so it would be called a blue-headed Pionus. And we just looked it up to verify that. Isn't that exciting? So beautiful ceramic birds. Now we've got one more at the bottom, which if I can get in here and film it, very, very beautiful, and she's got them at different stages of her life. Now listen to this, folks. It's hard to believe, but she asked a store if she could have this display piece, and can you imagine trying to drive from Georgia to Hilton Head with that in your car? So I pretty much admire that. Now, out here, I'm not going to go outside today, but she also used to have a fountain at her house in Georgia, and these are sandhill cranes, and of course they're wearing a necklace. And then she went down to Destin, and she's got these shells with the sand, and threw this together in a lovely display. We've got another bistro table here, and of course we've got 3 more birds outdoors. And the reason why we call it Connie's Treehouse at the beach, for obvious reasons, she's got these fabulous palmetto trees right outside her window. Look how beautiful. And so you can sit out here and just enjoy the view, and it's very, very exciting. And here's your saw palmetto, and look at all the palm trees. It's Palm Tree City, folks. Okay, so we're gonna sign off live, zooming in on our seashells for one more second, and then I'm going upward to this wreath. I really love it. So it's purple flowers. Look how dynamic. It makes me really, really happy to be up here and see all this, and it's amazing. All right, we're signing off live with Connie's Creations. It's Karen Martz, and I'm going to show you Freedom the Parrot. Oh, I almost forgot. Hang on. So we're zooming over here. Woo! Freedom gets to enjoy all this beauty. Hey, Freedom! All right, we're signing off live with Freedom the Parrot. Look on his tropical ottoman. Hey, Freedom! And we've got the Pineapple Joe in the background. Fabulous. And Freedom is saying goodbye to everybody. Have a great night.